shoes.
Hi, I'm Michelle Adams. I am a yoga instructor and I'm here with the Desire Company. This is how to use the orb. Honestly, find a spot on your body that hurts, a spot that you have tension, and give it some love with this. You can use it up against a wall where you put it in front if you have shoulder issues, chest tightness, anything, and roll up and down against the wall. It rolls multi-directional so you can get all areas. If you have a knot in your calf, you can always put weight rolling it out. You can put a little more weight, however much you need. It's easy to adjust. Something that I really enjoy doing too, like people who have lower back problems or any pains, you bring it to the front of your hip and you're trying to loosen up right here a little bit. So we get really tight, especially from leaning forwards all the time, that this area closes, and that's usually a lot of people's lower back issues. So you put the orb where you have that area, you roll it out, you find that spot, and you spend some time breathing there. With every exhale, just like stretching, you're releasing onto it. It gets right to the point. It's a nice firm ball. Just breathe into it, trust it, and it feels good.